tray out, and then you will see 2 screws on here. Remove these 2 screws, and the train will be able to remove it. Once you remove, disconnect the paddles from the main board, and then yeah, you can replace this the motherboard and circle board, anything. And then once you install back together, and just put like this, and put back everything like normal, and put a screw on the car first, and then just put here. You don't have to tie anything, and make sure do not let this thing to hit. Just put on the top, and play like this, and then yeah, put the nuts on here, the screw on the car first, and then put like this, and so you don't hit anything on this the module.